Okay, so the advanced question tells us that this insurance company should make an annual profit of $150 on each homeowner's policy written with a standard deviation of $6,000. Now, that standard deviation is really big. And question A asks us what would contribute to such a large standard deviation. Well, I said that insurance companies base their income on the probability that a majority of people don't really get into accidents. So when they do, it's extremely costly, whether the insurance company is like paying out or if they make a lot of money because somebody doesn't get into a wreck for a really long time. Part B says if it writes only 2 of these policies, what are the mean and standard deviations of the annual profit? So basically for the mean, you do 150 times 2 and that gets you 300. And for the standard deviation, you go by the standard deviation formula, which was shown in the basic Quideo number 1. And that gets you about $8,485.28, which isn't quite double exactly like the mean is, but you'll see why. Part C, if it writes 10,000 of these policies, what are the mean and standard deviation? So you do the same thing. You do 150 times 10,000 for the mean, and you get 1.5 million. And then for the standard deviation, you do 10,000 times 6,000 squared, and then square root it, and you get 60,000. And then part D says, is the company likely to be profitable? So to figure that out, you have to do the z-score, and here's the basic z-score formula. So you just plug in all your stuff, and you get negative 2.5, and then you go to your z-score table, and that gives you 0.0062 probability. And that means that there's only a 0.0062 chance that the company won't make a profit if they write 10,000 policies, but if they only write 2 policies, then it's not really guaranteed.